Hey guys, what's up? What's up? What's up? Good morning. Good morning, guys. Hope you all are having a beautiful, beautiful morning. And as I always say, from these two beautiful face, you know what time it is. It is time to rise and shine. Get up out of the bed at breakfast time. I'm a
Hey,
baby.
good morning.
Mm.
With a kiss like that this morning or a smooch, I have no choice but to rise and shine.
The holiday is all about giving, sharing. It's all about family, friends, everybody.
Our enemy too. The greatest gift of all is love. And if you can shower your enemy with love, they have no
Wow.
choice but to just turn around.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So you guys doing? It is a beautiful day. And the fact that you are hearing us, seeing us, it simply means that you're alive. So just give hallelujah a shout. It is good to have you in our midst, and we truly appreciate your time spending with us. We are in the time of sharing and caring, as my wife has said before. It is Christmas time. Ding a ling a ling ling.
But, guys, don't get it wrong. On that note, you're supposed to share every day, care every day. But in Christmas, this is a extra thing. Mm-hmm.
This is the time of year when the husband then be the Santa Claus.
Why you come say that this
Yes,
morning
guys, you have to
now?
ensure that you give your wifey everything. Wifey, you give wifey everything. Da da dee.
And then in return, wife will give you everything.
That means say sharing and
A
caring.
husband should treat his wife beautiful. Your wife is as beautiful as how you treat her. Did you know that?
Oh, you're beautiful, so. Oh, you're beautiful, so. Tell me now. Oh, you're beautiful,
If
so.
you treat your wife ugly, she will radiate a ugly person. What would you say now?
Attitude.
Okay.
I mean, I'm on that. So, and I go there, so. So, yes, baby. What are we having for?
Breakfast. Oh, fruit is excited this morning because we are going to. And you notice we know we're matching colors, guys.
Yeah, we're promoting
We're promoting
alcohol
no alcohol
and
drinking.
drinking does not mix.
So we are promoting no alcohol drinking, but it's the holiday season, and if you guys should drink, please, what should they do, babes?
Designate a driver.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
You want to live to see next year, right?
And we want to live, you to live to see us.
Next year.
Yeah. So please, we know the time is coming up, everybody. All are going to enjoy ourselves.
Excitement.
Yeah, we have work all here and you need to just relax and have a good time. But please remember,
If you drink,
if you have to drink, and you don't have to drink, but if you have to drink, please care somebody, even like me, call me now, you know, drink. And say, come drive us, take us back safe.
yeah.
Yeah,
So we are promoting that.
it's all about sparing a life.
Yeah.
Okay, guys? And you're in the
If you
celebration
have to
mode.
drink, don't drive.
Yeah.
Basically, if you have to drink, do not drive. Okay. Can I say it any louder? I don't think so. So I'm excited for fruits.
I wonder why.
We are going to dismantle a whole of jackfruit that I bought at the Coronation Market. Now for food is your thing.
Mm-hmm.
We are having cassava dumpling and chicken liver. A drum roll. Food is your thing, fruits is my thing. So a drum roll for my jackfruit. Oh yeah.
That's it.
I love every type of fruit, guys. I appreciate all type of fruits. Yep.
So let us roll over to the food. And this time I think I'm going to be the one that cutting it, or you can partake. Because let me tell you something about my wife, people.
Oh, don't bother with what?
No, this is you. My wife loves fruits. Every type of some fruits, I mean, I have no idea name or where it come from or so forth. And a fruit, she love it. So, you know, if you love something, wherever you go and you see it, you don't want to purchase it that you can partake in it. Not my wife. The man them on the street are also can't get her to buy fruits. No care much love it. She will buy the fruits, no better for Ola. You say once him cut it up and put it in a bag and so forth. Very skeptic.
I will buy it half too or quarter. Once it don't pick out and put in the bag, I don't want it when they pick it out and have it in the bag.
Once them have to play with it. But me tell you, when they pick it out, they put them man in a plastic bag and then they pick it out.
Yeah, no, but then they hang it up and then the sun, and you know, it just gets sappy in the bag.
So, and she go to the market and she buy a whole jackfruit.
And sometimes I buy a piece of jackfruit.
So, we're going to eat a whole jackfruit.
We are not eating it half.
We're not eating it half, we're eating it full.
Let's go.
So, let's go. Follow us.
So, guys, I'm trying to let the background look a little like Christmas. So, I mean, it's not all that, but I'm trying something. You gotta try something. We're in the festive season, and I mean,
if you want the background or the surrounding to be look anything like Christmas, you have to plug in your pepper light, you have to put up your Christmas tree. We are try. Rob JPS. This is the time with JPS shining. So
let's go to the other side. Guys, I want you to feel festive as well. So those of you that are at home, not coming out, and you're watching us, I want you to feel festive. I want you to feel the Christmas spirit, the Christmas breeze. Yeah. Hence the reason I tried to do a little thing in the background there. I guess my husband says it's not working. What do you say, guys? What do you say about it?
what are you doing now?
Washing out the jackfruit.
Okay. So I tell you.
And then you're going to cut it. So you know what? People, my husband make me put down the jackfruit till it has spoiled. Because him say it not ripe yet and blah blah blah. So look at it, it has a lot of dark spot. It has a lot of dark area. And when I bought it, it wasn't like this. All of it was looking like this. You see this part here?
Can you cut the jackfruit? People don't want to know what on the outside look like.
You going to cut it for me? I'm only washing it
inside that count.
Well, so what are you saying? This dark area, when you cut it, going good?
No, some mild spot you have to cut out, but
look at this big one, this huge ever one. Watch it, watch it, that one.
That is it when you buy all the things. You have to lose some, but if you buy them, you pick out all of them that good. That's what I thought. See them look the people, and at Christmas, should I get there smiling?
I don't want it pick out.
But it is what it is.
I don't want it pick out. The fact that they pick it out and then it hang up and then the sun pelts through that bag and it just sappy. I don't know, baby. The one that I did buy it too, I never like her. And I tell you, don't buy pick out jackfruit for me. I specifically ask you not to buy it because I don't want it. So
it's my time to roll.
Yeah. Up there, you don't want the cutting board. You don't want the cutting board to put it on. Let me get it for you. Let me grab the cutting board for you.
People, anybody remember that mama said that she would never ever give me this thing? A tout. She tried to hide it. See there in a tout. She not stick to her word. She gone for the cutting board. Oh, you're back. You're back. Hi, baby. Get the cutting board.
At least I take it out though. Wow. What do you remember about jackfruit growing up?
My youthful days. When I used to live in Kissington, we used to have a huge jackfruit tree in the middle of the property. Very big jackfruut. All them jackfruits, I remember that pick them in. Yeah, man, baby something, man.
Wow, look at that. Wow.
But me tell you, say,
Flesh is ripe and it is ready to eat.
some greenies are there on the dry fruit tree there.
Oh. So what you do? You climb it to pick them?
Yeah, some there ground, but some up in the top. So, you have to do, you have to do. But these, you
I
know,
want
say,
it, Andy. Put this half over here so you can get the cutting board to put it on. I don't want it to mess up the place. No, you can't put it. Jesus, please.
need some coconut oil.
Not because I wash it out. Let me give you a baby. Don't touch nothing, please. So every morning I prepare fruits, guys. This is the only morning my husband
Wow,
is
this is a
preparing.
lot.
That's a lot? Whoa.
Can you put some on your hand? Say, whoops,
Put some on my hand for what?
we're not going to eat it.
I don't have to put it on my hand when I'm going to eat it.
All right. You know the purpose of the coconut oil?
To prevent the sticking, the stain, to prevent the stain from
Right.
sticking to your hand. So here is the bowl and here's the bag for whatever you pick that is not edible. Throw it in the bag, please. So I have 2 bowls here.
You do that to get rid of the stain.
So Jose is preparing fruits this morning, guys.
But you know, normally, we don't really take them out of this thing unless we're pushing straight to remote, you know. You know, like how you people do it.
Mm-hmm.
Put it in a plate and then eat it.
So that's 1 plate and that don't have anything as yet.
So it's going to take a time. So
As soon as we have a lot in the plate, guys, we will roll back over to you. So for now, over and out. Jose's preparing fruits.
as the name suggests, Jack.
Fruit.
Good. Right to you. They just start the sentence and she finish it.
Listen.
That is one of the reasons we stick together. We may not look like twins, but we are twins. After being together for so long, yeah, we just think of it and she just finish it.
Mm-hmm.
And that is what makes our love life so strong. Whenever time I want love, I just think of it and she say, yeah.
I can't manage it this morning, you know.
Okay.
Okay.
So wait till the plate full. Now that take them out. Come, please.
So we finished, guys, picking our jackfruit. And I take the enough one.
Oh, so you admit. You admit.
One is unbalanced, which is this one, but not so much of, you know, it's nothing to talk about.
Mm-hmm. Unless it's not fruit. It's clear when you come on to fruits. Guys, before you come on the camera, I asked her if they're shared evenly. She said yes. So I said, which is yours and which is mine? So she gave the identity that this one is mine and that one is her. So I said, okay, they share balance, so let us switch the plate around. So like I squeeze her or something.
And then I say,
when you come on to fruits, you're not fair.
And then I say, one is unbalanced. My style is unbalanced. As always. My subscriber, them know already. So my food plate is always unbalanced. Right?
Okay.
Always hello, I hope you don't trouble nothing. You take some of mine. Baby, did you take any of mine?
No, I didn't. That is stealing, and I don't steal.
I will take what you're
Yeah, man, you're a thief.
No, I take some from your husband.
So if you take some from you, no. So it's fair them.
You hear what you just said? That is stealing, and you don't steal.
Right. But the fact that you give disclaimer that when you're taking from your wife or from the husband, you're not stealing, not a problem.
Yeah, but I didn't say when the husband takes from the wife. It is okay. Okay.
Oh, you hear that?
That's what I thought.
No, more on clarity. And I don't want to misjudge. So I want to repeat exactly what you have just said because I have heard something, but I am not sure it is the right thing I have heard. So can you just repeat it a bit slower?
Can you turn off the camera, please?
No. Say what you just said a while ago.
I'm gonna tell you in a way that I can't talk on camera. Can you turn the camera on, please?
She said the fact that me take from her plate.
Guys, I tell him something that I cannot tell him on camera.
Still never pleasing. Anytime the husband them take, a thief then thief. But anytime the wife then take, them legal. And I always should do all of that. So who thief now? Me thief or you take? Who thief now?
Nobody.
Oh, cause you jam it and kiss me. Christmas will come here. Be careful of them smush there. Christmas will come. Last weekend she matched me for Price Smart. Price Smart. Maybe she have a plan this weekend for Mega Mart.
Definitely.
I've been treated so well this week.
You have been treated well all the time.
I look for something for her sleep, but she never want to sleep. No, sir.
So guys, we're eating. It's not all the jackfruit we pick, you know. We just pick what,
3/4
3/4.
and peace. Close to half. And this is how you love it.
Catch you on the other side, guys.
Finally. That was a task, but it's worth it, right?
Yes,
Worth it.
did.
The fact that you enjoy yourself eating this big old jackfruit.
It was really, really nice.
As
So I'm
long
gonna.
As long as the fruit you enjoy it, as long as me enjoy me, right?
Hopping on over to my liver. They are so nice. I don't like when the liver mash up. When you bite and it mash up. I like it like this. I like it like this. You see them people they do? Feel look enough?
I know where you're pouring it.
Watch here.
This is a typical Jamaican. I like supermarket as scam, but then again, if you head dirty, but I might stream now dirty. Prime Minister no scam then scram. A scan then you can't say then scanning now.
Scrum.
And scram. Last soup on you.
Wow.
So I scram then scram.
Scrum. What a little bit of liver. What a little bit of liver.
You can't make that one soak out because
no man, it finished.
Okay.
It's all good. I'll just have a little cleaning up to remove the fat. You know I'm gonna remove the fat same, right?
You have to cut out half of it.
Really? It's not the kidney, you're not going to remove half of it. I'm only going to remove the fat, these thing here, this fatty thing here.
Okay.
Yeah, see that?
So you know buy like pig liver, goat liver, cow liver?
Pig liver? Pig liver can I eat? No, the pig liver, but the goat liver? I've never eaten the pig liver before.
Say that, but don't ask if it can eat.
Oh yeah.
If you ask any Jamaican who love pork, them tell you say one part on the hog them not eat an hour. You know what that means?
That's what you did in the morning. You say,
yeah, but it have a name.
Baby, the mouth. The mouth.
Baby, don't do that. Don't do that. The pig mouth, you never eat hog yet?
Hog head? No. I've never eaten a hog head before.
You come from town, so if you understand.
Not because I come from town.
Hold on there.
I'm using some black pepper and some thing there.
So finally the liver has been cleaned, which take about 2 hours. Sink has been washed again.
Jesus.
And then 2 hours.
Okay.
But it is what it is.
I'm dashing some salt.
It is Christmas and I have to give and to forgive.
So what did I do for you to make such statement?
Take forever to do the little cleaning up. But as I say, it is Christmas. What do you remember most about Christmas?
I remember when my parents was alive and my father wouldn't go work on that day. No work on that day.
Something
And
bad,
they would
something
cook.
bad, something bad.
Bad.
Nothing bad happened to you at Christmas.
Maybe what I remember since me adult.
Adult, look up at anything.
I remember, baby.
I remember I told you once that I take off somebody's finger. It was the time of Christmas. As I told you that I did several different vocations. I used to do farming. Have this pretty little machete that I used to use and plant cassava. Machete last. Finally find it, wash it, machete shine. So, cause you know when you come on to summer, you throw your machete.
Machete shine and pretty.
Yeah. So me throw it, in a summer me throw the machete cause it's a fun time. But summer over now. So me gone back to farming. So me find my machete shine and pretty. So me test machete. So me get some cassava stick, I chop up the cassava stick. This little boy come. Not a nice experience, see what him come. And I push him and I take me. I say, look here, that what you're doing is dangerous. You know? You have to be careful what you're doing. And him, you can't catch my finger. Whap, whap. See, me tell you, you can't catch my finger. Whap, whap. As long as you live, you could never catch my finger. So
that's what he said?
So me look at him and say, that means you're smart and me foolish. Him say, anything you say? I say, all right. People, wow. It was nice. But me have to show this little youngster, say, me smart.
By chopping off the young man's finger?
Catching finger. I mash your chop off finger.
Mama just tell me about that. I did ask her.
And me say, have a cassava and a piece of stump and put the cassava and the stick on the stump and use the machete and wheel off it. So I draw. I say, people, I catch him rhythm. So I fake him.
Jesus.
And when he think me fling down your machete, me give him a dummy.
Jesus.
And he put him finger there. And he come down. It was a sad situation, but me I tell you the truth. Hey, when I pick in your road, you know.
Bad.
When me look, me see finger dance.
Yeah. Mama said she have to put the finger and tie up with something and then
rush to the hospital.
Rush to the hospital with him.
So when I come on to a certain time of year, I remember that.
Really? From so long?
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm a friend for life still, you know. Anif. Gonna find and run it still. But I remember in my heart.
So you guys, you were a friend?
Yeah, man, you were in one yard. Let me tell you something. Every part, Penny, hug can eat.
But one morning we were talking and you said, you do that sign, say only that part to eat.
And what is that part?
The mouth.
The mouth make the sound, but it's not that. It is called the sound that the hog make the grunt. Okay? The sound that the hog make is a grunt. So them say that's the only part them don't eat. And why they don't eat that part?
Because them can't eat it. How can they eat sound?
Exactly. Because them can't catch it.
So have you ever eat hog head before?
Hog head? Whole time, man.
Who cookie?
Yeah, man.
Who cookie, mama? What's this?
Curry hog head. When I went to the meat shop, I asked the guys, you never see all the roast hog head? They bust it in two and take out the marrow and then they start to roast it.
I have never eaten an hog head.
You need to go to a butcher shop. But butcher shop not do what again, you know? No, man, that's a meat shop.
Oh, yeah.
A butcher shop is where they do all the slaughtering.
So can I try?
And when you go there, so the man, them work, scrape the hog, skin the goat, the cow, and then them have a big old fire with something roast.
Can you carry me to one, please?
You have to can't drink white rum.
Baby, don't bother with your foolishness. If you can't drink white rum, to go to butcher shop.
No, if you eat the roast pork and the roast thing they eat, because it full of pepper and you have to have something cool and it's like a rum partner them. They drink the rum and talk.
Alright, I want to go to a butcher shop. Can you carry me, please?
All right.
That's a promise?
Yeah, man.
May I come back and tell the subscriber and if the camera on? Remember you set the camera on? Because you tell me yes.
So are you calling me a liar?
No, I'm just
So why you
saying.
keep on repeating and saying that? Have I ever promised you and done 99% of the time fulfill it?
Not all the time you fulfill
Me
it.
just a 99. You're not listening.
You see, you're smart, you know, you see what you know? Baby, let's have the camera because you try to piss up my head in I'm.
No, it's never nice, but that is one of the occasion that the time that I remember when you come on to Christmas. Never nice. But
I don't have nothing bad like that to remember. I don't remember nothing bad. I don't remember nothing. Yeah, I remember nothing bad, baby. Yeah, I remember nothing bad. Can't remember nothing bad, baby.
I mean, I have to tell you now, what was my treatment, what was my gift.
Mama whap you. Good whopping, mama give.
You ever sleep out of the house yet?
Never. Only when I become an adult, I sleep out. With you.
You sleep out of our house with me?
You know, twist me around, you know?
I
You
don't-
try to twist me around this
I don't
morning.
remember that.
Okay.
You sure it was me?
No,
Okay, that's what I'm talking about.
I'm not sure.
Where I used to live in Kissington, our house was at the back of a mountain. They call it hill. We used to go up there and catch bird. Said pringe. You know what is a pringe?
French, no.
You know what is a calabash?
Calabash is something that you eat out of.
Yes, calabash is that. You know what is a calaban?
Calaban?
Yeah. You have calabash and you have calaban.
Oh,
That is something that you use to trap bird. You make like a little cage thing with a mesh with some stick, or you can use stick and plait it, and you put a little card around it, a coach stick that is broken, and put feed inside there, and the bird will go inside there to get the feeding, but you have to cross the road, the rope, or
so
the card.
who used to make that? You?
Yeah, we make everything for myself, man. Talented boy, this year. That's why you see no problem around the house, you know. From
We have
going,
problem.
what kind of problem you have?
When the things them to fix. So don't say me no problem.
So how will fix them?
You fix them, but it's forever, so that's a problem.
So me gonna ask you a question now. The pipe a drip, and me have to go work within a period of time. You don't have to wait till weekend. You want to start work and go fix it?
So we
You know say wait.
You're not nice. You're not nice.
No, you know say everything in life, even though some of the time it have blessing, it have curse. I go and explain it.
Don't come.
So as I told you about the hill, you used to go up there to catch bird, but there was a cave. You know what is a cave?
Baby, yes. Don't. Not becoming a no
No, but I understand the argument. So if you don't understand, I'm talking about something. I explain to you. Remember I explained to you about a calaban? Different from a calabash?
You laugh after me before you explain to me.
No, me just laugh and say, boy, you know them thing there. So anyway, a cave, you know what a cave? Because we go bring that to cave. A hole in a rock, right? You know, say, when me do that incident there with the finger, I tweet me have to stay up there with the right bat.
I'm a week.
2 weeks.
So you never actually get the beating, she never catch you yet.
This I say, boy, 2 weeks fly past and mama cool down. Come in the house and start ink around. Hey, let me tell you something. The Bible can't wrong, you know. And the Bible is wisdom in every case, you know.
Yeah.
The Bible tells us the greatest weapon is patience. You know?
Patient.
Yeah, man. 2 weeks, mama wait for me and enough. Ruffle feather and nothing. So I start draw around. Mama said, time I come in. You know, the lady come catch me. I do? When she decides to she go beat me now. In the bathroom, then I be
skin wet, so you know that beating there. Oh God.
Just come in and lock the door, man. And put the key in her pocket and sit down.
That's and wait.
Patient again.
Wait until Papa done beard, cause you are the man for the house, you know.
Step out and decide, say, boy, me I go outside for mama gonna feed me. Princess come slide the door up, me come in.
So who tell her say you
She watch your pattern, man. Patient again, you know. Tell her brother. You know,
patient.
The rest of history.
You get licked till you fool. So who you ball out? Who you ball out for that time, baby? Who you ball?
Hey, why when Pinya get lick them, all the little catching them ball out?
Why? We a ball out for? We a ball out. Lord Jesus Christ, our war. Where you ball?
As long we not remember, you know.
Mm-mm.
Let me tell you something. More ask peer, are you a parent too?
Mm-hmm.
Have you ever beat any of your child? Your children them?
Yes.
Alright. So it's use the perfect one to ask question. Not to what extent. When you beat them.
Okay.
Question.
Mm-hmm.
Why when you slap the child and child ball, you tell the child stop in eyes?
I don't know. I guess it's just something that is in us as parents.
Wicked. Here next thing you know, beat them and them a ball. Tap in eyes, shut up.
Mm-hmm.
You get something to ball for?
I want to get something for ball for.
You get to beat every day in your ball.
But
so me just want to ask. Anybody on the channel who has done this before, answer the question. Why you beat the child and then tell the child to shut up if you get something to ball for?
But
beat the picnic.
But you know, when I beat my child, I don't tell him to shut up. You know, here when I tell him to shut up, when he's crying for nothing, when he's crying for nothing at all, didn't get. For example, he see a balloon and he wants the balloon, or he saw a ball and he wants that ball, and I don't have the money to buy it. Yeah, start ball for me. Tapping eyes, you get something for ball for? Tapping eyes. May I give you something for ball for?
No, true. You say, I wear my ball for nothing, because my ball for ball like a balloon. So
hello, that is nothing. That is not, him don't get out. You are talking about beating. And you say, why when we beat the child?
You say you?
Alright, no, I go for my party.
You ever saying for say, no, you're never in my shoes yet. You ever in a picnic shoes, you know, so they want the ball or a balloon? Eh?
Well.
You ever in a locket?
Well, my children, them not dry good.
Look here.
My children, they never used to ball for anything, but I'm just trying to show you an example there. Like, some people just ball for nothing at all, so that's the time them forget the beating. But yeah, that's how my mother just stay too. But me not get no beating, so me not hear them. Me hear the slang, me know the slang, but me not experience the slang whereby she beat me, and me a cry, and she say shut up and all of that. Me not experience that.
Some children.
So I don't come do it to my children. Them.
Some children have it to a teen. Remember, all nose not run and all.
Yeah, I know.
And sweat.
Bad too. Holy for sweat. Bad sweat.
You know, it's an art though.
It's an art?
Yeah.
Do you say it's an art?
Alright, there was this lady when you live at Kissing Town. And when you have like setup and funeral, some people say peer for my funeral come by.
Oh yeah man, I know they talk about persons like those. They're gone out of the beating world now.
No, my coming with balling.
Because them peer.
Yeah man.
So she get peer, so she cry.
I'm here to live in I want, you know.
She's getting paid for that, honey.
Such a good one that.
Yes, she do. She's getting paid. So who wouldn't ball if me I get the pay? I mean, I want she go tell somebody else about me. And then
that is deceitful.
All right, baby.
You know, me go close to that. Yeah, man.
Close to somebody paying you to do that?
No, benefit of me.
Oh, can you?
You understand? One girl and girl go and say she no want me not start bad.
Lord.
Me never ball for you.
My husband.
Me never ball for you.
You could have ball for me. If you ball for me, I wouldn't get you.
Why?
Come on, baby, don't go there. You know you wouldn't get you.
It's just all about the game. It's all about the game. You have to have some games, but
and you know you wouldn't get you.
Well,
talk the truth.
The fact that me get you, me don't know. You're my wife. All of the resistance you put up with 2, 3, 4 months. You're my wife. Yeah.
Can you greet the cassava for me? Let me get the cassava. Here it is.
Cassava, the tisopi.
It's ugly?
Master. Hard to peel.
Really? It's just a little end part alone, pick up, you know? What did you say a while ago?
They're hot, watch them. Hard like dirt. Massa.
A cassava name. Where cassava grow, baby? Where cassava grow?
Me used to plant cassava. Me tell you, say, me that chop up a stick, the cassava stick, when the guy come and push his finger and the mash it. You know, how people push it and they mash it. What them think would be the end result?
He's a child. You are both.
So,
You are both. Was a child. So I
me
mean.
innocent and he innocent.
Yes.
Okay. Well, me can have at rest, at peace of mind now.
He must show you say you can't catch him hand.
And accidentally, him just miss the rhythm and he can get catch.
And it's sweet when you catch him hand because he must tell you say.
You're crazy, man.
He must tell you say you can't catch it and you try to catch it.
Hello, me couldn't feel good about that.
Why that? You throw all of that?
Me couldn't feel good about that. You know why? Me know what the end result are going to be.
Beating.
Okay.
And no matter how long you stay out of the house, you still get the beating.
Mother have to shut off the fire under the pot, have to draw and close, waste of time and all them. So,
You pay for
extra
all of
money.
that. Pay. You pay money,
pay.
girl. You pay.
2 weeks up in a hoodland, live with rat, bat and rat.
Jesus, peace. Hey, me tell you every day, you know. Is it bad in your grade?
You don't know about that?
Wanna look at my husband. Look at this nice, handsome man here. Can you guys believe he do so much things?
Adventurous.
Can you believe he do so much things?
I was adventurous. I don't have a boring life.
Oh, you was adventurous. Oh, I see. Lord of mercy.
Remember one time I go look some mango for sale. And the man have a bad cow in a cow pasture, you know. And nobody know go over the mango tree place there, you know. Because the cow they come like a watchdog, you know.
Oh God.
Only if you're deer, you can go over there. And I tell you, say, "Chum, you want to go play football?" We go by cow pen. And I say, "Me a shape mango, you know, shape mango, you know, because some pretty mango there on the tree, you know." You know, say cow here, something them a drop. And the cow come and I eat the mango, you know, but not even eat the mango, that's not what fear me, you know. Because the cow that does eat the mango, make me just come off my property.
What was your fear then?
I see cow run on people several times.
Oh.
When the cow heat and heat and heat, there's something about cow, you see? When he heat, he go chewing cud. So he lie down and go chewing cud. I must about 7 o'clock I come out of the tree, you know.
Lord, there goes Mama again. Oh, guys, forgive me for those. Darling, laugh.
Dr. Wood, I say my name, you know, Dr. Wood.
When my husband talk, I have to laugh.
No, man. Because mother tell me to not go up there, you know. Because it's dangerous. And the cow can buck you.
But you want to play ball.
But because nobody now go buy property.
Quick and an easy way out.
Yeah, man. The wicked cow heat in belly full of fire. All I man go me shake. And then lie down on a chewing cud. Now I go nowhere. The same live.
So play a lick to the body, babes.
Man. Because I guess so. Mother never get to go market, you know. And kill her dead and a man go make a look, you know. Football me go play. And I can't go tell her, I say, boy, I go over the man place, so she tell me, I have to go over.
You know if you go. So you didn't say anything to her, you didn't tell her that was the case? I'm just asking.
You know, you hear me, I say, man.
I hear you, but I said, did you try to explain yourself?
After my mother tell me, said, see over there, so don't go over there, so. Because
I hear everything, but I'm saying,
then if you go tell her,
when she was beating you, did you try to explain? Nothing at all to her?
No, because she had more lick to be beaten.
Oh.
Because since I don't know, get it. She had more lick. So me just make you feel like it's a ball ground, me go. And she beat me for the ball ground. Remember, you know, if you go over Dr. Wood, this part the cow there, you know. I did me up a cast, me put things on her, you know. Because the cow can't kill me. And me not sorry for her because she go find burial money. So I said, but a boy don't love me, man. So we just go and take it and say, boy, a ball ground. Yeah, man.
My Lord. So did she get to go market that day?
At 7 o'clock, me come out of the mango tree. 7 o'clock in the night. Because I cow lie down. I cow there for yard, you know. Him not gonna,
Exactly.
yeah, man, but the cow wicked cow could have move, man. But him get so much mango that him just eat and lie down and start chewing cud. Wicked cow, man. Wicked
Oh,
cow, yeah.
Jesus.
Boof, 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 boof. Mango a drop. But just come sit down and eat and. So I'm tell you.
That's our guava grater into before.
Our guava.
Sorry, guys, our cassava. My husband make me head I go full because I want to laugh when I laugh. All when I'm not on camera. Some things him talk, me just laugh. Me have to roll over. Roll over.
No
Roll
pun
over.
intended. Fire hole.
So I'm gonna go ahead now and drizzle some oil in my pot. So we're having liver for breakfast this morning. So you know I don't want a lot of oil, right? So this even too much too. Adding my seasoning to the pot, my garlic cloves, my onion, the pepper, everything. Finish, baby?
Yeah, man.
Alright, so I'm going to leave this to release some flavor. And babe's over here doing his thing. Oh, that's a lot. Oh, that's a lot of cassava.
It is not flour with cassava. It is cassava with flour. So it is called cassava dumpling.
Okay.
So, and that's not a lot. That's okay. You know you have two different types of cassava.
Yeah, you did explain it to me. So time for our flour to add to the cassava. Whoa, I threw it on your hand. Oh my bad. I'm so sorry. I wasn't looking. So that beating there you forget baby and you hide how much.
Don't want any more.
Don't
2
want
weeks
any
right
more.
here, man.
2 weeks.
Yeah, man.
So you need water now, right?
Yep. Get myself familiarized with nature. See the bird and the ants.
So we are having a dasheen as well.
So the bird cooperate with each other. See how the ants unite together and get things done. You know,
There's
say
the
God
water.
create man. Thank you. God create man as in favorite creation. But you know, say, we are the most destructive one. Yeah, man, we're not united. Because when they look on the ants and they have a bigger thing to carry, they go call each other.
Yeah,
And
I see the
assist.
whole heap of hands, them a draw the little piece of food.
So if human beings live, it stay like that. Yeah, man, if human they just united together, this world gonna be a better place. And him know if you do, you know, that hurt, you know. And then united we stand, divided we fall. But yet still, them not united. Everybody is selfish. Me, myself, and I.
Me, myself, and I, my dear.
Family alone for achieve it. And everybody can achieve everything by themselves.
That's
Can you imagine
true.
if one person have all the money in the world?
Oh my Lord.
It'd be a boring because I'm alone can go hotel. If you don't go hotel and you alone there, you know nice. When you go hotel, actually we can make friends. But if you go there without friends, guess what? It's boring. If you don't have no friend.
That's true.
Yeah, man. And hence, at most time you always say, you want a couple where you can socialize, you can go out and all that. Because it's more fun.
It is.
We need each other, brother. We need to unite it together. Once Christmas come, look out for somebody that you can assist and make them have a wonderful Christmas.
As well, yeah.
You see, it's not since I become a Christian, but before I was a Christian, we used to do look of good work. I mean, tell you, say, the first good that I do that somebody really, what you call it now, recognize and appreciate, and then come back to me, the response, or them appreciate what I do. I get a feeling, it's not even money can get that feeling. See. A lot of
That
people
feel good feeling,
that
right?
feel good feeling. That people, a lot of people think that say, boy, it's all bad people remember, you know. That's not true, you know. People remember good, you know. Yeah, man, people remember good. I'm sure I share the experience with you when we go foreign to go do our work. I'm work anywhere they work there, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And we go foreign and we go one place named LA. No, no, nobody in LA. Go up there man change your mind.
Mm-hmm.
I mean that date for young. It's a good deal me do it here, you know. Before that man go foreign, you know. That assist me, you know.
Oh.
Yeah. We go foreign and I don't know nobody in LA. Because LA they on a different time zones, far. So me go there, different place, me don't know nobody there. But before this gentleman leave Jamaica, we did something wonderful for him. And remember, let me tell you something. Jamaica hard, but Jamaica nice.
Yeah, we country nice.
You see everybody around go foreign, and enough of them over there did for hungry. Enough of them come and them pretend and do one bag of something.
That.
Yeah, man. You see black people, like greatest pretender them. Greatest pretender. The hungriest me ever been in my entire life of foreign. Hungry. Yeah. And me not used to hungry, you know, because guess what? We go up and look here where you can get sweet sap, jackfruit, mango, anything you name it, season right round. So me don't know. As humble as you grow, mother couldn't find certain things, you always have food. That's why I say God good still. No? And I say me get big and start work. Can buy food for myself and everything. Gone foreign. Man, I carry me up there to do the work, change your mind, come and sell the house. Supposed to do some camera. And baby, come here, go do big work, you know. Me no go that dollar, you know.
Oh Lord. Cause that work, the money going finance you while you're there.
That work they're supposed to buy all some thing for the entire you're pregnant, 18 years ago. And we say me go buy some pram and some baby thing, come and surprise me baby.
Oh, I remember that time when you went away.
Hey, hungry man, we tell you about white squad. When I see a man hungry still, who experience hungry, you know, you have to feed him still. You know?
But you have never told me that story before. I guess you're ashamed saying about to tell me. Because I don't remember it.
Man, my shame she did long time, man. I'm proud of myself. I mean, not about she, but maybe.
I don't remember you telling me that.
Yeah, man, remember the man, I tell you.
So you left the house full of food and something?
Then I work, you know. And jump and plane and go and find say me a big technician go and put up camera. And the man go and say myself the house, I'm not about to put the camera there. So I can stay at the house 2 days and then do my one do. And go up on the 3rd or 4th day. And man left the house gone left me, you know. I'm a big man, you know.
Oh my God.
Man, me say me drink water till me feel bad.
So him just left you just like that?
I one of them man they have whole per girl, you know, so him got be sporting in though.
So no food never in the house?
Must sell the house. So move out everything, man, move.
So you sleep on the floor?
No, man, look for furniture at night, but him move out, cause I'm a fire and them have whole power something.
Yeah, so I think that is very wicked because him know so you don't know the area. And then me don't know. There was a mart beside you. There was a shopping center or so.
You can walk go. What's a place you could walk, but
also maybe that's why he didn't.
Yeah, but if I walk, but then I money where you get to. But me find a Jamaican restaurant, I'm go there and say, boy, I go buy a cup of tea. And I go there. There was a gentleman that I did that work for, I go repair his gate before I leave. But before him leaving, he talked to him from his car, shout out, Myers, me gate now work. Myers, me gate now work. Me go foreign, me don't know if me go pay her when me go see you. But please, my wife and pick me up there. Go and go look at fight. You know, my friend, give me a visit. Those days I wasn't Christian. My friend, give me a visit. How would that man take me from? Take me for idiot? Him don't know him come back. When I see mommy I get paid, I'm not going away. It's okay. I want me out for money, I work for you. So I'm not go.
And them time the people like can tell you this man was in his aki.
Yeah, man.
That's what he calls it.
I'm not want money to spend for a club to put up my
girl and him something.
So how me to work for nothing. Then know my father come. And my father said, look here, this is not our I bought it to I grow you up to be. You understand?
That's the advice.
That's the advice. Go and get some farmer assistant. It's not about the money. I'm going to go deal with the case, man. I'm going to tell you, say, believe me, next morning, man, call me from foreign, man. Next evening, rather, and say, boy, I'm somebody I appreciate what you do, you know. And my wife, them say, come up there and start out to get for me, boy, and I respect that. I see him when we go in the restaurant and go see. Yeah, man.
And you start telling me your problem.
No, I'm not tell me problem. The man just come and say, boy, me never know when me go say about all this and check me tomorrow morning. Go in the bathroom, brother. Go check the Kyle. 500 US. Go our next place. Me no bother buy tea this you know.
Why?
I don't want tea, I can't buy more tea now. And that is the other thing about we, you know.
Lord
when you have money,
Jesus.
when you have money, you know, we buy big thing where you can do it, you know. When you have money, we have some little thing we could have buy and just humble yourself.
Humble yourself,
But me I tell you, say, believe me, we got one place there, all you can eat. Jesus, peace, brother.
I'm hungry, that's kill you, that's starve, so.
But when you're hungry, you can't eat much neither.
And that's the thing.
All you can eat when you go in a place, a restaurant, you take up one plate and you go serve yourself. And you go sit down. Buffet style, and you come back again. Then me I come out. You go check your money next man, give my next $500, $1,000, you know. 18 years ago, $1,000 a foreigner whole for money, you know.
Okay, but you did come with the pen and everything.
Cut, baby. Me buy a big double pram. Me come with all play pen.
You came back with a lot of things, guys.
Yeah, man. Me don't know about sheet, but I'm going to a place go ask about count a sheet. That's me know about counting a sheet.
Yeah,
and
he bought towels and all of that.
I buy one shoes that I love right now up to date. I best shoes that I never buy.
Oh yeah, that shoe.
We did myself.
Oh yeah,
that shoe is so nice. Yeah, man. Oh, yeah. So just because of that small look of good I do for the person, you see, turn around. Me not did for that, but I never expect that neither. Cause I know me go see him. And find so big, me never know me never fall in the same state. That's how we don't worry about nothing, you know. Because I guess our future fix. That's the beauty about God. God fix our future.
We're having some mint tea, so I'm using some honey to mix it. I think that is about it. So we mix with tea in anything, guys. Anything me catch, anything me grab, me just mix with tea.
That's not true. That's not true.
Why you say that? Why you say that's not true?
You mix the thing in a clear, transparent object. That means you can see if anything in it. If you see any farmer like a black or anything like that, you get your cheesecloth and you strain it. Talk the truth.
Well, yeah, that's the reason
not
I do
anything.
that. Yeah. But that not could have stay.
You can't stay. If you never say it.
Whatever. And I think it's time to share out our breakfast.
Finally,
let it happen to me. Right in front of my face. So that's our cassava dumpling.
Bubbling up in the pot.
Time for sharing, you know, though. Time for you get eat. No, so.
And that is our chicken liver. And that is our minty that has been sweetened over here. So, minty jump out of the fire.
Cassava dumpling.
Talk to me now, people.
With dasheen.
Dasheen nice in a soup. Can mash up
nice
careful.
to eat too. Nah, mash up. Oh, good. What I'm going to do now?
Nice
lock the stove off.
Nice with curry chicken.
What?
Dasheen.
You love too much chicken and all these things, you know.
Told you.
A piece broke off, babe. That's all it does.
I get that in a curry chicken. No, you just mash it up in the gravy.
So it can mash up in the thing, the gravy too. Chicken liver gravy. Chicken liver gravy is nice, you know.
Hold on. When me know you, all you eat a be a green banana.
I eat flour too, but not so much.
So when me know you, because me used to make dumpling and you never see flour.
At that time.
Dumpling, a be a green banana.
Because you make them big and ugly, baby. No make you go through that again.
No, me not go through that, but me just say, and lately me not say I use a banana.
Oh.
You eat too much?
No, I love banana. I will forever love banana.
Okay.
I will forever love banana, my dear. our lovely chicken liver. And I put a lot of pepper.
You put the pepper with all the seed.
Yes, because I want it spicy. Spicy, dicey.
Like you show this man with the wrong
Let me use left hand.
hand. It's because the pan or the pot shallow?
Yeah, I guess.
Okay.
No, not really.
I move like you don't want it spill or something. I get extra careful.
Oh,
Yeah, man. When man
no,
hungry, I have to
not.
move with more brisk.
Okay. Look at this gravy here you're talking about. What? Look at that.
Throw that on my plate.
This is yours.
So you're not trying to cook a dumpling?
Hmm?
I want to go on camera and try to cook a dumpling.
Why should I throw it on the
Because I
dumpling?
might want to request it that way.
Alright, I will take it up back and put it on it.
Alright, no bother. Next time you do it that way, alright?
Alright.
That's a wife that a man wish to have, you know. Whatever he says goes.
You love them something.
Lord.
You know. I don't know why, but you love these things. These noisy and these whatever and whatever.
I know what you talk about.
What you say about the cassava dumpling?
Turn up. Cassava dumpling turn up.
Mm-hmm.
I have had it before, you know. But then time I never. You know, mama give you something.
It's
You
your
recognize
face.
it.
It's your face.
But it's shot, man. It turn up. Like nice. And I have to give thanks for your creativity. You know? Let me know, say, boy, I don't know. White dumpling alone can't eat.
Mm-hmm.
There's so much variety.
Yeah.
And yeah, it shot me enjoy it.
But thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for staying with us. And we're in the season of giving. So it doesn't matter how small it is, please to give something. And it will make you feel better inside. It will make you feel good inside.
It is a feeling that money cannot buy. It is a feeling that words cannot express. Just make this Christmas be a Christmas of giving, not looking for anything. And can you imagine? You give, I give, everybody will receive. So that's a theme for this Christmas, guys. Just to give, not to receive, but just to give.
Yeah.
Receive, yes, is a blessing, but our aim, our intention must be to give. Yeah.
It doesn't matter how small it is.
Doesn't matter. The thought that's count. Because what you may think don't worth anything to you, you may be surprised what it done for the other person. Okay?
Definitely.
Just like how you may think not touching that like button is nothing to you. It does a lot for us.
For us.
So please touch that like button. Tell a friend so that a friend can tell a friend to share this wonderful family experience. Okay, guys? And remember, I are so nice. See you.
And please, guys, please watch the video till the end. Please, I'm asking. Watch the video to the end and click the like button, please.
Comment.
Yeah. It means a lot to us.
Tell me what I do from what I not do. Tell me say me chat too much. Tell me say me no know me a chat say.
Comments.
Comments.
Yeah, that's what my husband love, the comments. That's his section. He love the comments part.
Big up Mr. Harris.